Hi everyone, welcome back to another OSINT video of VIEH group. So today we have a website. So actually, when you have to search out the information about a specific company, then what usually you do, right? You search out the Ministry of Corporate website or some other website, right? But what in case if company is from somewhere else, from India or side of India, and what if it's an Indian or any other foreign company? So how to get info? So I'm going to tell you about the website from where you can get that information legally and about the company information, little more information as well. So the website name is this one, b2bhint.com. This is a reliable and up-to-date company data platform where you can get some good information. So let me search out for VIH. So this is our legal name. Yeah, we are here, right? So just click there. So you got a plenty of information, right? So there might be some, I don't know what it is. So you can add it in the checklist. 5 years ago, company was just started, right? And name is VIH Private Limited, Maharashtra based company. This is the company ID when the company was started, and this is the share capital, paid up capital, and this is the address of the company actually, and this is the official mail ID which is of me. Here you can see check out who are the directors, officers. Me and Nuruddin is the director actually. We are director and signatory, and 27 August 2020 is the company opening date. So this is how you can get some sort of more information, company information, with the headquarter, what is private limited industry, and little more information. So if you log in, you might get little more information. So this is how you can dig out information about a specific company. So let's see you in the next video, and let me know how this video was. So thank you very much for watching. Have a great day. By the way, sorry for that.